This 2027 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40 CFL2B is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Grand Terrace, California, 92313 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center Grand Terrace. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bath and a half, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.